Want to add shipping info or a promo to all your product pages without any coding? Let me show you how. Hey and welcome back. In today's video, we are going hands-on to learn how to add a static block to a product page, something that shows up across all products, not just specific ones. If you're looking to add a unique content to each product, make sure to check out my previous video on product meta fields. But today we are focusing on adding block with general info, something like free shipping on orders over $49 that appears the same on every product page. Okay, let's get started. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Customize. At the top, switch to the Products, and then Default Product Template. Now click on Product Information, then click Add Block. Choose Text. You could also use other types of blocks. A popular choice is a collapsible row, which hides the content until clicked. But for this example, we will use Simple Text Block. Under the content area, I will type free shipping on all orders over $49, and I will make it bold to help it stand out. Next, let's reposition it. Just drag and drop it to the top of the list. That way, shoppers see it right away. Click Save and then preview your product page. So that's it. To get a feel for what works best, try using other block styles and see which layout fits your store design. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there is a specific tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.